How to pay Bank of America credit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can pay Bank of America credit card. For that, open up any web browser and search for Bank of America. Now tap on this website bankofamerica.com. The first step you want to do is log into your account. For that, tap on the login option at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here, enter your user ID and password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, there are several convenient ways on how you can pay your credit card. The first one is to tap on the bill pay option. Then you want to follow the on-screen instructions. If you are paying your bill from an account at another financial institution, select the Manage Pay to/Pay from Accounts link from the Bill Pay menu. Then add the Add Pay from Account button. Then select the Add Pay from Account button and follow the instructions. You will need your bank's 9-digit routing number and your account number in order to set up the Pay from account. You can also transfer money from your Bank of America checking or saving account to your Bank of America credit card. To do this, select the Transfer or Send tab, then select Between My Accounts at Bank of America and follow the instructions provided in the Make a Transfer tab. You can also download the mobile banking application of Bank of America, select your credit card account, then select Make a Payment button and follow the instructions. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.